Hey everyone, welcome to Artland. So I've got Cujo here with me today, and we have a special challenge for you guys today. So in the coming weeks, I would like to do a challenge where you, the viewers and subscribers, choose what I'm going to draw for a week straight. Now, since it's been summer, I've been drawing 2 videos a day. So that means I need 14 ideas for you guys to come up with. Now, here's how it's going to work. I'm going to start the process this Sunday at 8 a.m. So I know everyone's kind of on different time zones, but whatever time my videos usually pop up, I always post them at 8 a.m. my time. So whatever time they post for you guys, I want you guys to get on there if you want to and tell me what you want to draw. Now, I need 14 different ideas, and I'm only going to take 1 idea per person. So if you get on there and give me 14 ideas, I'm not going to take them all because I want to be fair to everyone. Now you guys can be as crazy as you want to. I will draw whatever you guys choose, and I'm just going to take the first 14 different ideas from 14 different people. So make sure that if you guys want to be a part of this, that you are ready and you are going to post it right at that time. Now if you post it before, I'm not going to choose it. So I'm going to make sure that I set the post to come right at 8 a.m. and I'm going to choose the first 14 different people with 14 different comments and ideas. Now let's just remember, we want to keep this appropriate, so nothing that would be inappropriate to draw for YouTube or for our viewers. I want to make sure that we have nice drawings on there, but it can be whatever you guys want to. This is your chance. If it's something wild and crazy, if it's something that you've been asking me for a long time but I haven't got to it yet, it's totally up to you. So here's your chance. 8 a.m. this Sunday, I'm going to put up the post. I need 14 ideas from 14 different people, and they need to be 14 different ideas. I'm going to take the first 14 and I'm going to draw them in the coming weeks for 1 whole week straight of nothing but viewer videos. So that's my challenge for you guys. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for all the support. We just hit over 77,000 subscribers. That's totally crazy. Never thought it would happen. We're getting closer and closer to 100. So maybe in the next few months, we might make it to 100. So we will see, but I just want to thank you so much for everyone that has supported Artland and has been a part of this journey. So thank you so much, and remember to tune in this Sunday, 8 a.m. my time, and give me 14 different ideas. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and make sure you guys keep drawing. Thanks for watching, everyone.